Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the action button or the back button, basically any button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. After the menu opens, find the settings option and tap on it. Now scroll through settings and find the system option. Once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll down, find the battery manager and tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have the option called battery saver. And to enable the power saving mode, tap on this option, then scroll down and tap on the check mark. And the power saving mode will be enabled. You can tell by the switch being flicked on, and also the screen got a lot dimmer because it lowered the screen brightness. Okay, and once you're done, you can of course press the back button to go back to watch face if you want to. To disable the power saving mode, basically repeat these steps. So open the menu and go to settings, scroll down, find the system, find the battery manager and tap on the battery saver to disable the mode and switch it to off. You can also enable and disable the power saving mode through the controls menu. So if you open the controls menu by pressing and holding the action button, you have a list of shortcuts here, and by default you won't find the battery saver icon here, but you can scroll down, tap on edit, scroll down, tap on the plus button, and here you will see a battery saver icon. You can tap on it to add it, then go back, and you will see the battery saver added to the list. Then you can go back, and once you're in the controls menu, you will see that the battery saver icon is here, and you can tap on it, scroll down, tap on the check mark to enable the mode. You will see the message battery saver on, the icon will change to green, and basically the screen will get dimmer because the battery saver is enabled. And then you can press the back button to go back to watch face, of course. And if you want to disable the mode, you can press and hold the action button, scroll down, find the battery saver icon, tap on it. You will see the battery saver off message. The icon will go back to gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.